Video I'll show you how you can enable macros and how you can record a macro. So the first thing here is we need to enable the developer tab. So you go into settings or options here. We go to customize ribbon, scroll down here and select the developer tab here, enabled. And now we can record a macro, etc. and open the Visual Basic Editor. So let's try recording a macro here. Let's say we want to call this hello, rate a hello. And let's give this a keyboard shortcut, Shift P, Control Shift P. Make sure that it's Shift as well, because if you're not using Shift and you're using just Control 1, then you're gonna overwrite some other keyboard shortcut. So make sure you use Shift. This is a lot better. Okay, so let's record this. So now it's recording and we can type hello. So we create a hello and stop recording. Okay, so now we can simply use our keyboard shortcut, Control Shift P. Okay, so hello. You notice here that the active cell here is moving every time we're using the macro. So we can use the Visual Basic Editor using Alt F11. And we go to our modules, double click. And here is the code behind our macro. So it's here when our cursor is moving, so we're gonna change this one to active cell. And to close the VBA editor, use Alt Q. And to go to our macro list, we use Alt F8. 6, can change our shortcut, etc. Okay, so let's try removing everything here. Control Shift P, Control Shift P, Control Shift P, Control Shift P. Okay, so that's like a very super basic macro here. Okay, so that's how you enable macros in Excel. So if you like more videos like this about macros and how you can write VBA, make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more. Thanks.